My name is Paige Evatt, and I'm an attorney with Legal Aid of East Tennessee, and I'll be talking to you today about statutory rape. Statutory rape is something that a lot of people have heard of, but is often misunderstood. Statutory rape happens when a person has sexual relations with someone under the age of legal consent. In Tennessee, the age of legal consent is 18. Consent does not matter, as the legal issue revolves strictly around the age of the participants. Additionally, Tennessee law does not care about the gender of the victim. That means that both males and females who engage in sexual contact with an underage person can face prosecution. In Tennessee, statutory rape is broken down into 3 categories based on the age of those involved in sexual relations. Regardless of the specific category of statutory rape, those convicted can face jail time, fines, and can also be required to register as a sex offender. The 3 different categories of statutory rape are mitigated statutory rape, and aggravated statutory rape. Mitigated statutory rape occurs when the victim is between the ages of 15 and 18, and the defendant is 4 to 5 years older than the victim. Mitigated statutory rape is a Class E felony, and someone convicted can serve up to 1 to 6 years behind bars. Statutory rape can occur in 2 different ways. The victim can be between the ages of 13 and 15, and the defendant can be 4 to 10 years older than the victim, or the victim can be between the ages of 15 and 18, and the defendant can be 5 to 10 years older than the victim. This too is a Class E felony, and those convicted can serve between 1 to 6 years behind bars. Aggravated statutory rape occurs when the victim is between the ages of 13 and 18, and the defendant is 10 years older than the victim. This is a Class D felony, and those convicted can serve between 2 and 12 years behind bars. Also, minors can be convicted of statutory rape. The issue here is of the age gap. Just because both participants are underage does not prevent criminal prosecution. For example, if a 13-year-old and a 17-year-old engaged in a sexual relationship, the 17-year-old could face statutory rape charges and all of the criminal punishments that go along with it.